present you the guy that deserves for the royal family, Mr. Sonny el Hermano, que habla español.
Much more than that. It's beyond that. Because to be able to do what we do with our bodies, we are like small little gods inside our bodies, dust running around into our bodies and shine like lights to share love. Every time we dance. This is my inspiration. We are all members of each other, and when I teach or when I share my dance, I share it with love, and I choose the strongest power that is love, because that's how we have to live, out of love. Too much shit going on in the world, and everybody's forgetting about each other. But dance keeps us all together, and that's the reason we're here. And that's the reason we're playing like this. And all the people who organize events to bring this culture together and everybody share love.
Thank you so much. I was like, okay, now, guys.